Hello everyone, this is Sid, and welcome to my Mobilio Software review. And in this video, I'll show you what key features Mobilio is providing us and what are the pricing and upsells this app has. So to know all of this, please stick with me till the end of this review. But before starting the video, you have to know what is Mobilio. Mobilio is a brand new cloud-based tool that allows you to create videos without content creation by leveraging artificial intelligence. After seeing the video you're going to create, the video service will automatically generate the content and add everything such as characters, scenes, or transitions to the video. You can also import your own content to the video you want to create. At first glance, it appears to be targeted at people who are doing affiliate marketing, course creation, bloggers, and many more. It also appears very easy to use. So let's move to the features. Mobilio Commercial. The first page builder that can create mobile-optimized landing pages, websites, etc. First one with a link management feature. It can send push notifications to tons of customers. Also, it can create marketing funnels for any offer or niche with complete ease. And it can drive ready-to-buy viral traffic with no extra efforts. And you can get started easily using the DFY niche templates. You can use Mobilio to instantly get video, audio, and text feedback for your marketing campaigns and have surveys to capture the results of your campaigns. And build a strong database of hot red business leads using WhatsApp users worldwide. Mobilio Unlimited. With Mobilio, you can create unlimited mobile-optimized landing pages, websites, and unlimited squeeze pages to drive more conversions. You can build unlimited bonus pages to offer freebies and hook the maximum audience. And use unlimited download pages to make everything fast and easy. And also you can create unlimited thank you pages to foster long-term connections. Let's move to the pricing and upsells. The front-end offer is the main software Mobilio, which will cost you $57. For the front-end offer, the price you see now is available only during the launch period, which starts on 19th of November 2022. After the launch, which ends on the 26th of November of 2022, the price will increase, as they say. Also, the front-end access doesn't depend on any of the upgrades to work. It works fine just on its own, but it is also limited. Now, there are currently 4 upsells. You don't really need all of them to use Mobilio, but they might come in useful depending on your situation and usage. There is also a bundle deal where you can buy all upsells at a discounted price at $347. Moving to the upsells, there are currently 4 upsells, and they are: Upsell 1 Mobilio Unlimited, which is selling at $197. Upsell 2 Mobilio Growth Hack, which is selling at $67. Upsell 3 Mobilio Super Template Club, currently selling at $27 per month, $97 per year, and $247 for one-time. Upsell 4 Mobilio Reseller, 50 accounts at $197, and 150 accounts at $397. So guys, that's it for today, and I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to check out the official Mobilio website, which link has been given in the description of this video. So that's it, bye, take care.